guys, it is April. I don't know which one. I'm just a week away from the wedding. So today I'm doing a full day of eating. I know I'm not gonna be able to eat a lot today because I do have a practice. I'm gonna do a pre-cooked meal, like a little meat patty with beans and mashed potatoes. It's not that bad of a macros. It is a bit higher in fat, but usually these pre-cooked meals are higher in fat, but I am just not feeling like doing a lot today. So we're gonna do this and eat it, and that's gonna be my meal number one.
Not like it. I know, that's what I
They're getting hard for me. I'm exhausted for some odd reason. It is getting a little warmer, so maybe that's the reason. But I'm just gonna stuff my face right now and just have a great old time. I think I'm gonna eat eggs, and then I don't know what else. But I do wanna quickly touch on the fact that for some annoying reason, I am still at 55.9 kilos. I have been at this weight for like about, I'd say, a week and a half to 2 weeks, and it's not fun. Like, it's not fun. This cut has not been easy for me to TBH. Oh my god, I just almost fell and killed myself. I don't know why. I think I'm really stressed about everything, like everything, and that's why. quickly. I mean, I only have like a week left, so um, it's not that bad, but still, it's not fun. We're gonna finish this full day of eating off. I'm gonna eat some eggs